All right, y'all. Now you've grown these beautiful pink oyster mushrooms. Well done. Look how well you've done. And I'm gonna show you how to pick them. So the first thing to remember is that we want to pull these off of the block. We want to pull them off because I want you to try and have a second flush of mushrooms. So after you get this large flush, you can get some more if you remove all of the tissue from the block. So the best way to do it is to come from underneath and kind of have a twisting motion as you pull mushrooms off of the block. You get these nice clusters like this. Just take them over to your cutting board and repeat that with all parts of the mushrooms. And so you can kind of see it's a very clean surface when I'm finished. This one looks like it's gonna give me 4 clusters. One more, kind of pulling and twisting at the same time. Then I'm gonna take just these last little bits of dead tissue off, put it on a cutting board. Now this block is ready to start spraying again, and in about 5 to, let's say, 10 days, you're gonna get a second smaller flush of mushrooms. So now you've pulled everything off the block. I've removed as much of the tissue as I can, and it's ready to just start spraying again. I'd say give it a really healthy spray once you remove everything at first, but then just proceed as normal, and you will get a second smaller flush from your block.